Hi, I'm Jenna Edwards, and welcome back to the Woodruff Industries 3-in-1 Leather Punch and Eyelet Button video series. This is video number 3, and in video number 2, I showed you how to put the eyelet heads into the tool. Well, in this video, we're actually going to use the eyelet heads to make a scrapbook page. First, we start with our fun little scrapbook paper. And then I have this pair of jeans that I cut off this summer to make shorts. So we're just gonna use some leftovers. I'm gonna take a scissors. And I'm just gonna cut through the jean fabric. We're just gonna use our Woodruff Industry plier with the eyelet feature to put eyelets in the corners of the jeans. I'm choosing silver. Remember, your kit comes with various colors. And then you're gonna take and you're gonna lay your eyelet right in the flat part of the tool so that the pointy part can poke the hole through. And then you're just gonna line it up on your jeans. And squeeze. It's really easy to use. It's ergonomically designed, and you're just gonna punch through. And as you can see, the button goes through and it creates this really neat high school effect is what I'm kind of going for with this scrapbook page. So then you just continue all the way around. You're just gonna take your double-sided tape and tape around all 4 edges of your jean material. You're gonna glue that at the top of your page. Then you're gonna take whatever picture you want on your scrapbook page. And you're gonna place it over the jeans, kind of creating a pocket effect. In fact, if you wanted to, you could insert the picture in the top, making it more like a pocket. If you want to put a title, you can put a title. You can do whatever else you want that's fun and creative, but using the Woodruff 3-in-1 tool, you can create this really neat effect on your scrapbook page. In the next video, we're gonna talk about putting in hole punches and using the various sizes of hole punch in various craft projects. So stay tuned for that.